what is the legal part of property that you need to know about. So there are 4 or 5 critical things that you need to know when you get involved in a property transaction. Number 1 is that something called conveyancing. This is when you buy a property or you're selling a property, you need solicitors, and they need to look after the legal aspect of the sale. And every agent or estate agent that sells your assets for you will need to then send off documentation to solicitors to confirm that you have a formal offer. And in order for them to process your legals, they will do something called conveyancing, which will be doing searches on the property for the buyer to check if the property is as good as it is with the land registry, and whether all the documentation is correct in terms of its plot, square footage, and any issues which are historical with the asset. So the legal part of the transaction for property is critical to your success as a property investor. What else do you need to know that's important with your legals? If you're buying something, again, you've got to be very careful if you're looking to sell it on and there's issues with the lease on your property is too short because it's a flat, and so you don't own the freehold. You have to be very careful that the lease is a longer lease, so you can flip the property on. If it's a short lease, you've got to speak to the management company and increase the lease. So the legal aspect of any property transaction is critical to your success. There are other aspects of legal issues that the Property Fixer covers. Number 1 is we can help with any stop repossession matter. We can help with any litigation matter around LPA receivers, which receivers for commercial properties get appointed to take over a property if there is a problem, and they would have the right to sell on a commercial asset or right to collect rent. Thirdly, if you've got negative equity in your asset, legally we can also help when dealing with any equity issue and actually writing off the debt and giving you a clean credit report, as we are the legal experts in all these areas. So there we have it. Legals are critical to your success because all of it is, the devil is in the detail.